Good morning, friends. So today we are going to discuss about the steam power plant layout. And various circuits on the steam power plant layout. So we are going to see the various circuits on the steam power plant. So this is the layout of the steam power plant. So this is about the layout of the steam power plant. Then various circuits, we are going to see the various circuits in the steam power plant. So first circuit will be coal and ash circuit. Second is air and gas circuit. Third one is feed water and steam flow circuit. Fourth one is the cooling water circuit. So now one by one we are going to see the circuits in the steam power plant. So first, what do you mean by steam power plant? So here we have the main elements of the steam power plant are boiler, turbine, generator. So for producing the electricity, for creating the electricity, for producing the electricity, we are using the steam power plant. In the first one is the boiler. So we need to give the intake of the coal. So in the boiler, coal burning takes place inside of the boiler. So heat, the water will be converted into the steam. So boiler is also called as the steam generator. In that boiler, coal will be burning of the fuel, burning of the coal will be takes place inside the boiler. Then these hot flue gases will passing through the boiler drum. Then this water will be absorbing that heat energy and it will be converted into the steam. That supersaturated steam will goes to the turbine. So here the turbine will be the supersaturated steam will be striking on the turbine, it converts. So here the steam will be expanding, turbine starts rotating. So the output of the turbine, it gives the mechanical energy. That output of the energy, the mechanical energy will gives to the generator. So here the generator, in the generator, it converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. By using the steam power plant, we are producing the electricity. So this is about the steam power plant. So the main elements of the steam power plant are boiler, turbine. So here we are going to see the main elements of the steam power plant. So first one is the furnace. So boiler, turbine, condenser and pump. So these are the main elements of the steam power plant. So now we are going to see the various circuits of the steam power plant. So this is the layout of the steam power plant. So this is the layout of the steam power plant. So now we are going to see various circuits on the steam power plant. So first circuit is the coal and ash circuit. So first circuit is coal and ash. Coal. So this is about ash circuit. First one is the coal. So first one is the coal. So this is about coal storage and coal handling. From the coal storage, coal handling, then it will supply to the boiler. After burning, that ash will created, that ash will be removed. So from ash handling equipment and ash storage. So the first layer in the layout, so first circuit will be coal and ash circuit. First one is the coal and ash circuit. So in the coal handling, we have 8 or 9 steps will be involved from the delivery of the coal from the mines, or transporting of the coal from the mines. First one is the delivery, unloading. After that we need to preparation of the, so we need to convert the coal will be into the lump sum coal will be converted into small pieces. Preparation will be done. So small pieces, and crusher also will be there, ball mills. So it will be converted in the powder form, pulverized coal. What we call it, pulverized coal. So that pulverized coal will be supplied to the boiler. Then the firing will be done. So various steps involved in the coal handling system. First is the delivery of the coal, unloading of the coal. After that we need to transfer the preparation of the coal. After that we are transporting the coal. So various mechanisms we are using for transferring the coal. We are using conveyors, belt conveyors, chain conveyors, hose. In the belt conveyors, different types of conveyors are there. Different for different purposes. For different size of the power plant, we are using the vertical type of elevators, host, like that we are using coal transfer systems, coal transfer. So various steps involved in the coal handling system. Delivery of the coal, first one is the delivery, second one is the unloading of the coal, third one is the preparation. In that preparation we need to lump sum coal will be divided into small particles, small size, 5 to mm or 15 to 25 mm size of the coal. Then we need another one also in the preparation, sizers and pulverized form. In the pulverized form, So we need to convert that 1525 mm size of the coal will be into the powder form for the for the improving the efficiency of the boiler for the rapid combustion. In order to reduce the air, so we need to convert the powder form. We need to convert the raw coal into in the powder form. So after that, in plant handling, then coal handling plant, we need, after that we need to supply the coal weighing machine. After that we need to supply the measured quantity of the volume of coal into the burner. So first step will be the coal handling. After burning in the boiler, that ash will be formed. So that ash removal also, we need to consider the ash removing. So first stage will be first flow circuit, coal handling, and then after that, whatever the ash produced after the combustion, that will be removed from the boiler. So ash handling, we need to reduce the temperature of the heated ash. First step will be in the ash handling system. We need to reduce the temperature of the heated ash. We are applying quenching process. We need to apply quenching process. Then we need to, in the same manner of the coal handling, in the ash handling also we are using different type of mechanisms: hydraulic mechanism, pneumatic mechanism, and steam jet mechanism. Like that, we are sending the ash to the ash storage plant. So this is the first layer, first circuit is the coal and ash circuit. Second one is the air and gas circuit. Gas circuit. Second one is the air and gas circuit. Second one, air and gas circuit. So air, for the combustion purpose, fuel, we have a fuel, that is about coal. For second one, for the combustion purpose, we need air. So without oxygen there is no combustion possible. So air, so that atmospheric air, we need to send air preheater, like that. From the air preheater, then filters. After that, air will be supplied to the boiler. You can observe from this. Air preheater. So preheated air will be supplied to this boiler. Preheated air will be supplied to this boiler. So this is the second air circuit, and then flue gas circuit. So one more circuit is there, with air and the flue gas circuit. Second one is the flue gas. The second flue gas circuit, air and gas circuit. Air and flue gas circuit. So the flue gas. So from the boiler, the flue gases will pass through. These flue gases will pass through the superheater. Then we have a economizer, then air preheater. After that, these flue gases will go to the atmosphere through the chimney. So from the boiler, so after that, that flue gases will pass through the superheater, economizer and air preheater. I am repeating, the flue gases will passing through the superheater, then we have a economizer, then we have a air preheater. Superheater, economizer and air preheater. So if any moisture content will be there in the steam, so that steam will be converted into supersaturated. So if that moisture will be removed in the superheater, then economizer. So feeding water. So in that economizer, the feed water will be absorbing the flue gases, and it will be converted into some heat water. So economizer, the purpose of the economizer is heat the water. So that preheated water will supply to the boiler, feeding the water. Some heat water will be supplied to the boiler. So these waste hot flue gases will superheater, economizer and air preheaters, these are the accessories of the boiler for improving the efficiency of the boiler. So these are improving the efficiency of the boiler. So we have a boiler mounting as well as we have a boiler accessories like this superheater, economizer and air preheater. So these flue gases passing through superheater, economizer and air preheater, after that to the atmosphere through the chimney, right? So before that, we need to filter the any dust particles will be that we need to we are using filters, dust collectors also, so that after that flue gases will goes to the atmosphere with the help of chimney. So this is the air and flue gases circuit. Third one is the feed water and steam flow circuit. Third one, feed water and steam flow circuit. Feed water and steam flow circuit. Third one is the steam and feed water circuit. So whatever steam developed in the boiler, that will goes to superheater, so whatever steam developed by here from the boiler, the superheater, after that, so the steam flow will be, so the main valve, and then it will be striking on the turbine, steam expanding in the turbine, so it means the heat energy, the steam will be converted, steam will be striking on the supersaturated steam striking on the turbine, so it will be expanding on the steam turbine. So here the turbine starts rotating, the rotational energy will be generated, that means mechanical energy will be generated. So this mechanical energy further move to the input of the generator. So the output of the turbine is the mechanical energy, that is the input of the generator. So here in the generator, the mechanical energy will be further, it will be converted into the, by using generator, it will be converted into the electrical energy, so it will be distributing. So this is about steam flow circuit. This one is the steam flow circuit. Steam will be passing from the superheater, turbine and generator. So here steam will be expanding. After the striking of the turbine, the exhaust steam will be goes to the condenser, phase change will be there. So then phase change, exhaust steam, so will be in the condenser, the phase change will be there, steam will be converted in the condensation form. So one more step will be in the layout of the steam power plant. So here we have a cooling water circuit. Fourth one is the cooling water circuit. So fourth one is the cooling water circuit. So after getting the steam, after striking up the turbine, the exhaust steam or dry steam or wet steam, so from this exhaust steam, it will be condensed. So here condensation will be takes place, that means phase change takes place. So that steam we need to that heat energy will be rejected. So here the steam will be converted into the water. So with the help of cooling tower will be there. So cooling tower, so here that heat energy will be taken by the cooling tower. So here the water will be converted into the cooled water. So this water will be circulated again to the condenser, and then low pressure heater, then high pressure heater, then to the economizer. So circuit will be like this. So this is about cyclic process from the condenser. So here we have a low pressure heater and a high pressure heater, and then it will be feeding to the boiler through the economizer. In this economizer, it will be preheated. Economizer will be preheating the water. So it takes the flue gases. It will be taking the hot flue gases, and the water will be coming to the economizer. Here the water will be heated away. So that preheated water will goes to the boiler in order to reduce the coal. So these are the important 4 layouts or 4 circuits in the steam power plant. So what are the 4 circuits of the steam power plant? So first one is the coal and ash circuit. Second one is the air and gas circuit. Third one is the feed water and steam flow circuit. Fourth one is the cooling water circuit. So these are the important 4 circuits in the steam power plant. I hope you are understanding about the steam power plant layout and various circuits on the steam power plant.